Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for joining this video today. In today's video, I want to show you platform. This platform cooked something. A lot of people have been eating from this pack that they prepared for a while now, and a lot of people have started making money from this platform. A lot of people are enjoying what the platform cooked. Right here, you can see that I'm also holding my fork because I want to eat from this opportunity, from this pack that this platform cooked for us. This platform is called Sui Bison. Sui Bison is a platform that allows you to invest minimum of one SEO, which is about $5, and you start to make percentage on daily basis. I know you don't understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to break everything down for you to understand. What do I mean? If you invest minimum of one SEO, which is about $5, you're going to be making 1% every day for the next 5 days. And after 5 days, they are going to increase that your 1%, they are going to add 0.5 to it, making 1.5%. Then another 5 days, they are going to increase it to make everything total of 4%. And that 4%, you're going to enjoy it to the next 100 days. If it is what you're looking for, you actually want to sleep while your money is working for you, come closer. Let's eat together. Go get your fork and also get a cup of wine while we enjoy this meal together. All right, so how do you register on this platform? It's quite simple to register on this platform. Right here on my phone, once you click on the link that I'm going to provide in the description box of this video, when you click on that link, it's something like this. Once you see this, all you need to do is to click on start and you're going to get this. Then the next thing, click on this button right here, this launch button, then click start again. This is what you're going to be seeing. You can see deposit and withdraw. So what you need to do here is quite simple. I'm going to explain everything. You can see from here that this is 1%, and then if you click on it, this question mark, you can read through what they say. All right, so if you click on deposit and then read this, send you to this address below on the seal network. To automatically stake your seal, minimum deposit is just one seal plus 0.01 seal for gas fee. All right, so when you're sending your one seal, always add 0.01 for gas fee. So how do you do it? Click on this button right here to copy. Once you copy this address, then you add on to your wallet. Let's say I want to use Bybit, for instance. I'm going to add on to my Bybit. So right here, I'm on my Bybit. So I'm going to add on to asset. All right. And the next thing I want to do is to go to withdraw. So by now, I should be having my SEO coin on my Bybit. But if I'm not, all I need to do is to buy some and fund my Bybit once I using P2P method. So once I have my SEO here, I'm going to click on withdraw. And once I click on withdraw, then I'm going to be seeing my SEO here. So, but if you're not seeing it here, just search right here. So I'm going to search for that by searching for SUI. So once you do that, you're going to see this number one, click on it. Once you click on that, then you are going to see where you're going to put your address and the network. So I'm going to paste the address here. Then I'm going to search for the network, which is going to be Sue. And all I want to send here is, let's say I want to do one SEO, so I'm going to do 1.1 SEO because of gas fee. Remember, 0.01 or even 0.1 SEO is just what I need. If I'm sending one SEO, if I'm sending two SEO, I can just send two SEO. They will remove the gas fee right from that place. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to click on withdraw, and all I'm going to get, so if I send two, I'm going to receive this, and then I'm going to go back. Once I'm here on the Sui Bison app, I'm going to wait for a while, just for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Once I'm done waiting for about 1 minute, 2 minutes for it to arrive here, sometimes you might not see it here. Just click on initialize stake. Once you click on initialize stake, you are going to go ahead and see your deposit right here. The next thing you want to know is what happens once you send in your money. Immediately you send in your money, they are going to remove 10% from what you sent here. They're going to remove 10% and add it to your token here. This token is their coin, their own coin, because this platform is like a mining staking platform. So whenever you deposit, they're going to take 10% and buy you their Bison token. This token, you're going to get it on the day of listing. Once they list their coin, you will have access to the token. All right. You can see the percentage, the total supply is 100 million. The community will take 65%, while listing is 20%, dev is taking 5%, marketing is taking 10%. But that is for that. You don't necessarily need to know anything so much about that. All you are after is your money that you stake and how much you'll be making. I've already explained that you're going to be making 1 to 4%, 1%, then next 5 days 1.5, then the next another 5 days is 4% till 100 days. Now that you know all of this, when you want to withdraw, remember anytime you withdraw, they will take another 20% and add it to your deposit. So let's assume I have 20 here, $20 to withdraw here, or let's say I have $100 to withdraw here. They will take $20 and add it to my deposit, my staking. This my stake. They will add it, meaning that they are helping me to add more to my stake, so that instead of making money just on maybe my one or two SEU, I'll be making more money because they've added from my withdrawal. So that's it. So let's say I withdraw 100, they will take 20 and add it up. Let's say I have 100 in my deposit already. So, and I have 100 to withdraw. So once I withdraw my 100, I will get 80. They will add 20 to this, making 120. So what I'm going to be getting is 4% on my 120. So every time you withdraw, just know that you're not going to get everything you withdraw. 20% will be added back to your liquidity. If you also want to make more money, you can also click on this invite friend here. So once you click on invite friend, click on copy and send your link to a friend. Once you send your link to a friend, once you invite your friend and they use your link, you are going to get some amount of SEU just to show appreciation that, oh, thank you for inviting your friend to this platform. So you can also join their community. If you click on community, you check them on YouTube, join their Telegram channel, join them on X, then you can chat. Then network. See, I don't want this video to be too long, so this is where you're going to see your network, how many people you've referred and all. So, and then they have support, they have all of these things. So let's go back home. So that's all you need to know. That is all you need to know for now. Don't forget to use the link in the description box of this video. Use it to register your account. And let's start making money together. Let's use our fork to eat from this opportunity together. If you're yet to subscribe on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to get more videos like this whenever I drop them, and do well to like this video so that this video can get to more people. You can also drop a comment for me in the comment section. I would like to answer you in the comment section. So you can just do well to follow me on Twitter. I will appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.